Hello everyone. So I hope so I am live. Just wait a minute. Let me go through the checking. So yes, I am live. Okay. Let me see the video audio once. So yes, I am live. Okay. Chalo. Right. Yes. So hello everyone. Welcome to Beat the Gate series. Right. The lesson number nine. Right. The lesson number nine in the Beat the Gate series. Right. Yes. The series question nine. Okay. So without wasting much session, let us go ahead with the starting of the session. Okay. Yes. So first, I will begin up with the products in Unacademy which are launched just for the well-being of the learners all around the world. So yes, we are celebrating Republic Day, and Unacademy is providing 30% off on all GATE CSIT subscriptions, 30% plus 20%. Right? How will you get those 20%? You will get that through the use of my code Shreyas Live, right? Through using my code Shreyas Live, you guys will be getting that 30%. How 20%? Right? 10% through my code and 10% through your Unacademy credits, right? 10% through my code and 10% through your Unacademy credits you guys will be getting. So you guys can see here. So these are the prices from 6 months to 24 months for iconic subscription and for plus subscription, right? So the prices are rising soon. Hurry and beat the price hike. Use the code Shreyas Live and get 10% off on your Unacademy Plus subscriptions, right? On your Unacademy Plus subscriptions. So yes, we are celebrating Republic Day, and as this, you guys will be getting the Raudra CSIT lectures for GATE, the recorded videos at a nominal price of 7,110 for 15 months and 8,888 for 30 months, right? So use the code Shreyas Live to make hay with this offer, right? Use the code Shreyas Live to make hay with this offer, right? So this is the Udaan batch, right, for GATE and PSUs 2024, right? You can see all eminent educators are present here, right? So this batch has already started from January 18th, so please be a part of this batch. Even the Bunyad batch has started. The Udaan batch for GATE and PSUs 2024 and the Ignite 2.0 batch for GATE and PSUs 2024. All these batches have already started. Finally, you have the All India mock test which is free of cost. That is the AIMT, right? AIMT for GATE 2023 is there. So this is going to happen on the 29th of Jan. And AIMT is even bigger this time because of these three key things, right? Questions are curated by top educators of Unacademy. Top 3000 rankers will be getting up to 1 crore worth of scholarship and get detailed performance reports with video solutions. Okay, so please get an exam like experience for GATE, okay, by using the code Shreyas Live and enroll into this free test, right? Enroll into this free test, okay? So yesterday I had given you guys this particular homework. So what is the synonym of perennial, right? What does the word perennial mean, right? You guys might have heard the word, someone telling we have continuous, we have continuous headache, right? The headache is perennial or the pain is perennial. That means what? It is consistent, right? The headache is perennial. That means what? It is consistent or continuous, right? It is consistent or continuous, right? So instant means not that, so wrong. Flaring means something which is flaring, which is like flaming, burning sensation, right? So that is also wrong. What does sporadic mean? Sporadic is also occurring occasionally, right? What does the word sporadic mean? Sporadic means occurring occasionally, right? Something which comes on, keep on coming, right? Something which keeps on coming. But what does it mean? Something which keeps on happening continuously, right? Consistent, persistent, right? Yes. Option C will be the right option. Understood? Right? Instant means quick. Everyone knows. Flaring means just like flame. Okay. Occasionally, sporadic means occasionally, which keeps on happening due to regular intervals of time. but perennial is continuously, right, which is persistently. Okay, yes. The next question. Two guns were fired from the same place at the interval of 5 minutes. Coming to that place, a car driver can hear the sounds of walking both the guns. Right? Can hear the sounds of both the guns. So let us not write here walking. You guys will get confused. At an interval of 4 minutes 40 seconds, if the speed of the sound is 210 meter per second, then by what speed was the car driver coming towards that place? Right? Then by what speed was the car driver coming towards that place? Okay? Yes. Do give me the right answer here. Okay, yes. So, two guns were fired from the same place at an interval of 5 minutes. So, obviously, the distance traveled by both the guns will be same, right? Two guns are fired from the same place, yes or no, guys, right? So, distance traveled by the guns is same, right? Yes, distance traveled by the guns will be same. Now, a car driver hears the sounds of both the guns at an interval of 4 minutes 40 seconds. So within the interval of 4 minutes 40 seconds, he hears the sounds of both the guns, right? He hears the sounds of both the guns. So whatever the car driver travels in this 4 minutes 40 seconds, that distance will be equal to that of the sound, right? To that of the sound of the gun. So you know distance is equal to time. So distance traveled by car is equal to distance traveled by the guns. Okay, yes. So this will be speed of the car into time of the car. Okay, speed of the car into time of the car. Sorry, TC hoga. Okay, and this will be speed of the gun into time taken by the gun, right? Time taken by both the guns. Okay, yes. So what is the speed of the car? Right? Do I know the speed of the car? No. Speed of the car is what I have to find out. But time taken by the car, I know exactly here. Right? Time taken by the car, I know exactly here. What is the time taken by the car? Right? It hears at an interval of 4 minutes 40 seconds. Right? The car hears at an interval of 4 minutes 40 seconds. Right? Yes. So speed of the car into 4 minutes 40 seconds. Right? Yes. So 4 minute 40 by 60. Okay, I'll simplify this here only. So this will become 2 by 3, right? So this is what? This is 4 into 2 by 3. Right? This becomes 4 into 2 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So this is SC into 14 by 3, right? SC into 14 by 3. Now, speed of the guns, it is 210 meter per second into time taken by the gun. See, he can hear the sounds of both the guns at an interval of 5 minutes. And two guns were fired from a place at an interval of 5 minutes. At an interval of 5 minutes, it was fired. And he can hear this sound at an interval of 4 minutes 40 seconds. That means, understand the question here. Between 0 to 5 minutes, whenever the person wants, he will shoot both the guns, right? He will shoot both the bullets or shoot both the guns. But the car driver hears an interval of 4 minutes 40 seconds, right? He gets an interval of 40 minutes 40 seconds. That means between 5 minutes and 4 minutes 40 seconds, this gun has traveled some distance, right? Between 5 minutes and 40 seconds, this gun has been heard to the car driver. That means what? Between this time, what is the time? 20 seconds. So 20 seconds will be the time of the gun. So this will be 20 by 60. So I can take this as 1 by 3, right? Yes, I can take this as what? I can take this as 1 by 3. So obviously this is in seconds, 4 minutes 40 seconds. I changed it to 14 by 3 seconds because I took it as 4 2 by 3, right? This is 1 by 3. So I can go forward with this, right? I can go forward. This is clearly. So this is 7 2s are, right? 7 3s are, right? 7 2s are and 7 3s are will be there. So 3 1s are, 3 10s are, 3 1s are, 3 10s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are. So speed of the car goes to be 15 meter per second, right? So what is the speed of the car? The speed of the car is 15 meter per second. But wait a minute. Here everything is given in kilometer per hour, right? Everything is given in kilometer per hour. So it goes to be 15 into 18 by 5, right? Yes, because kilometer per hour to meter per second. So you know 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So when you take the 10 by 36 is nothing but 5 by 18, right? So when you are converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, it's 5 by 18. When you are converting meter per second to kilometer per hour, it is 18 by 5. Right? It is the 18 by 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5 threes are. 3 into 18 is how much? 54 kilometer per hour. Right? Yes. So the speed of the car will be 54 kilometer per hour. Right? What is the speed of the car? The speed of the car will be 54 kilometer per hour. So whenever such questions come, right, some people will take it as X, some people will take it as Y. They'll make two equations. That's not needed, right? Understand the basicness of the question, right? The distance traveled by the gun and the distance traveled by the car will be the same. You have to just find out the difference in time. You'll get the speed of the car, right? Yes, we did it in just 2 seconds, right? Sorry, 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, chalo. Next question. Two trains cross the pole of a telegraph in 7.5 seconds and 8.4 seconds respectively. If the length of the trains are 150 meter and 210 meter respectively, then in how many seconds will they cross each other moving in opposite directions? Then in how many seconds will they cross each other moving in opposite directions? Okay, two trains cross the pole in a telegraph in 7.5 and 8.4 seconds. So let us take the length of train 1 as 150 meter, right? Length of train 2 as 210 meter. Okay? Yes. So the time taken by train 1 is 7.5 seconds and the time taken by train 2 is 8.4 seconds. Right? Yes. They are moving in opposite directions. If they are moving in the opposite directions, the relative speed will be adding. Right? Yes. We will be adding the relative speed. Yes or no? We'll be adding the relative speed. Now one thing you guys know that distance is equal to speed into time. So if I take this distance by speed is equal to time, so speed is inversely proportional to time, right? Yes, speed will be inversely proportional to time. So now if I want in how many seconds will they cross each other, so they have given this also, right? First I have to find out the speed. First I have to find out the speed. So let us take S1 is to S2. So what is S1? 150 by 7.5. And what is S2? 210 by 8.4. Okay, yes, 75 twos are. So speed 1 will be 20 and 84 25s are, right? 84 2.5, right? 84 twos are and 84 twos are कितना होता है 168 and 84 का half, 84 का half, that is 42, 210 आ जाता है. So the speeds will be 20 and 25. Now you find out the time. Okay, yes, add both the lengths, right? Time is equal to what? Distance by speed. So add both the lengths. 150 plus 210 divided by 20 plus 25. So 150 plus 200 is 350. 360. 360 divided by 45. So you know 90 forza, right? 9 forza is 360. But 45 2za is 9. So this will be 8. Right? Yes. So they will be taking how much time? They will be taking a total of 8 seconds. Right? First find out the speed. Right? Yes. Two cranes And now you guys don't see the difference here. So the difference will be 1.5 or 2. No. They are crossing the pole of a telegraph in this time. How long will they cross each other moving in opposite directions? For that you have to find out the speed of both of them. The answer will be 8 seconds. Okay? The answer will be 8 seconds. Okay? Chalo. Next question. A question on syllogisms. Most important topic in reasoning. Chalo. Right? What will be the right answer? Some boats are jeeps, some jeeps are bikes, some bikes are buses, no bike is a boat, all boats are in water, all jeeps are in land. A quite big statement. Some jeeps are in water, some bikes are in land, I believe here. Okay. Some bikes are in land, some buses are in land, some boats are in land. So which conclusions will follow here? Which of the conclusions will follow here? Okay, yes. So let's do this question. Some boats are jeeps. Okay, some boats, right? Yes, are jeeps. Some jeeps are bikes. Some bikes are buses. Okay, yes. No bike is a boat. All boats are in water, so no bike is a boat. So boats and bikes are not together. Boats and bikes are not together. All boats are in water. All boats are in water, right? All jeeps are in land, right? All boats are in water and all jeeps are in land. Do not forget, no bike is a boat, right? Yes. Okay. No bike is a boat. These two can't be done together. Now let us see. Some jeeps are in water. Yes, of course. Some boats are jeeps, so some jeeps will obviously be in water. This part, right? Some jeeps will obviously be in water. So conclusion one is right. Okay. Some bikes are in land. Yes, some jeeps are bikes, so some bikes will also be in land. That is also true. Some buses are in land. See, there is no relation given between this, right? There is no statement or relation given between this, so this will be wrong. Some boats are in land, yes, of course. Some jeeps are in land, some boats also will be in land, right? Yes. So this is 1, 2, and 4, right? So here I think it is a typo mistake here. So I think 1, 3, and 4 likha hai. So this will be 1, 2, and 4. Right? Yes. Option D is the right answer, right? So this goes to be 1, 2, and 4. Option D is the right answer. Next question. There are 40 students in a class. A student with a weight of 52 goes away and new student comes which increases the average weight of the class by 1 kg. What is the weight of the old student? Sorry, what is the weight of the new student? 1 minute, guys. There's an emergency. I'll just mute. Okay, yes. There are 40 students in a class, so this question I'll deal with two methods, right? First thing is you can go with the formula which I tell here. So formula is, so the average is increasing or decreasing. That means there will be an average and based on that average it will be increasing or decreasing, right? So the old average, that is the previous average, right? So with the old average I'll either decrease or increase. Now, why does the decrease or increase happen? Because there are some students, right? What is average? Average is equal to sum divided by n, right? Yes. Because there are some students and because of which I get the average. So yes, let us take some students. And what is happening here? There is an increase in average. Why is the increase in average happening? Because there is a difference, right? See, there are 40 students in a class. A student with a weight of 52 goes away. That is one student goes away. So 39 students still remain. Okay. And there is one more student adding. So 40 students come back. And because of this student getting added, so there was minus 52 in the sum. Because of this student getting added, there will be plus 1. Right. There will be plus 1. Right. Yes. So the average weight increases by 1. Okay. So this is n into difference. Here it is increasing, so we will add. If it is decreasing, we'll take it as minus. So old average is how much, right? How many students are there in the class? A student with a weight of 52 goes away, right? Student with a weight of 52 goes away. That is the old weight. Plus how many students are there? 40. What is the difference? N, right? Yes. So what will be the weight of the student who goes away, right? What is the weight of the new student? The weight of the new student will be 92 kg. Right? Yes. What is the weight of the new student? The weight of the student will be 92 kg. Let me explain this in the more conventional way, right? Yes. So you guys know average is equal to sum divided by n. So yes, there are 40 students in a class. So n is equal to 40. Right? N is equal to 40. So a student with a weight of 52 goes away and a new student comes which increases the weight of the class by 1 kg. Okay. So average 1 is equal to sum divided by 39 and average 2 is equal to sum divided by 40, right? Both sides is 40, n is 40, right? Both sides the n is 40. Now a student with a weight of 52 goes away, right? A student with a weight of 52 goes away. From this sum, right, the 52% goes away and to this sum, right, some person gets added because of which this average will increase by 1, right? Because of this average will increase by 1. Okay? Yes. So here if you take 40 into average 1 is equal to sum, right? Yes. If I take the average as 52 here, so 52 is equal to sum divided by 40. So what will be the value of sum here? The value of sum will be 52 into 40. Yes or no, Bob? The value of sum will be how much? The value of sum will be 52 into 40, right? That is going to be 2080. Now here the average is increasing by 1. That means 53. Sum divided by 40. So this goes to be sum is equal to 53 into 40. Right? This goes to be 53 into 40. Yes or no? Which is what? Which is 2120. Right? Yes. That means there is an increase of 40 kgs. Right? There is an increase of 40 kgs. Hi Anna. Now you'll be like, sir, you gave the answer as 92. I know. Right? There is an increase of 40 kgs. But understand, minus 52 was there. Right? The average. When the student leaves here, the average is minus 52. So now it has become plus 40. Right? Now it has become plus 40. What will be the total difference? 92 kgs, yes or no? Understood, guys? The difference between both the averages is 40 kgs. But here he goes, so it will be minus 52. There he comes someone, so it will be plus 40, right? What is the difference? Total difference कितना होगा? 50 to 40, 92 kgs, right? 50 to 40, 92 kgs. ठीक है? Next question, right? Similar one. The average weight of 24 students is 54 kg. If the weight of the teacher is also included, then the average weight increases by 400 grams. What is the weight of the teacher here? What goes to be the weight of the teacher here? Okay, the average weight of the class is 24 students is 54 kg, right? Yes. So class weight, right? Yes, class weight. So you know average is equal to sum divided by n. So 24 students 54 kg, right? 54 is the average. Sum I do not know and it is 24, right? Sum I do not know and it is 24. Okay, yes. So first let me go with the formula method, right? Then I will show you guys this. Okay, yes. So join or left average is given by this formula. First of all, it is old average as it is, okay, plus or minus we will do, right? Yes. So number of students n old minus n new, right? So old, how many students were there? New, how many teacher or how many persons were added? Divided by n new, right? So this will give the average there into difference. See, it is always old average into n into difference itself. Old average is 54, right? Yes. N old is 24 minus 1, right? N old is 24, sorry, n old plus 1 hoga ye. 24 plus 1 divided by 1, because only 1 is added. N old plus 1 divided by 1, right? Into, what is the difference? It increased by 400 grams, right? It increased by 400 grams. 400 out of 1000, right? It is 4 out of 10, which is 2 by 5, right? 4 out of 10, so this will be what, Baba? Right? This will be 2 by 5, है ना? Right? This will be 2 by 5. Now how much will I be getting? So this is 54 plus 25 by 1, right? So this is 25 into 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fives are, right? So this goes to be 54 plus 10. So this is 64 kgs, right? 54 plus 10, this goes to be what? 64 kgs, right? Yes, 54 plus 10, this goes to what? 64 kgs. Yes, so the conventional way also I will show now. See this carefully, right? So you guys know average is equal to sum divided by n. So what is the average before? Average was 54. Sum I do not know, right? How many students were there? 24, right? How many persons were there? 24. What will be the sum? The sum will be 54 into 24, right? Which goes to be 1296, right? 1296. Now what is the question telling? The weight of the teacher is also included. That means one more person, the average weight increases by 400 grams, right? So it was 54 grams here. So this will be 54 into 400 by 1000 is equal to sum divided by, you are adding the teacher, so number of people will be 25. So this is 2 by 5. So this is 54 into 2 by 5 is equal to sum bar 25. Okay. So 54 twos, I can take this directly, right? Yes. So this goes to be 108 by 5 is equal to sum bar 25, right? So sum will be equal to 108 into 25 divided by 5. Okay. So this will be 108 into 5, right? This will be going to be 108 into 5. 54 point weight increases by 400 grams, so average weight. So this is 54 kg. 108 by 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5 5s are. कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो रहा है, रुको. Right? If you take 108 divided by 5, right, you will be getting 21.6, right? 108 by 5 is 21.6, okay? So let me take like this. The sum is 21.6 into 25, okay? Sum will be 21.6 into 25, right? I'm getting 540 as a sum. So I think I did some mistake in 54 into 24. Yay! This is mixed fraction. No. Manga. No. This is mixed fraction. Right? So this will be 54 2 by 5. Right? Yes. So maths is always not wrong. Right? Maths is not at all wrong. So this is 54 into 5 by 2. Right? It goes to be 54 into 5. 54 into 5 is 270. So this is 272 by 5. Right? This goes to be 272 by 5. So it is 272 into 25 by 5. 5 5s are. So this becomes 272 into 5. This becomes 272 into 5, which is 1360. Right? Yes. So what is the difference between sum 1, which is 1296, and what is the difference between sum 2, that is 1360? Right? Yes. The difference is 64 kg. Okay. You are not subtracting any student here. Right? You are just adding the student. Right? You are just adding a teacher. You are not subtracting any student here. You are just adding a teacher. So adding the teacher will result in 64 kg. That's what we did here. Okay. Sorry for this here. I just did it as 54 into 2 by 5. Early morning. Sorry. Right. It is 54 into 5 by 2. Okay. Yes. 1360 will be the right answer. Maths is never wrong. Okay. The next question. Right. Yes. So tell me guys. 6 people are playing football. The person who stands second from the bottom gets the ball to pass on. Sunil is behind the person who will pass the ball. Frederick is standing in the middle. Tanu is the only female player in the team and is standing behind the player at the top. There is a difference of 2 players in between Frederick and Manu. Anil and Hardik have only one person in between. Hardik is standing next to Tanu. Who passed the ball? So 6 people are playing football. So this is again a question on ranking test. Okay, this is just lengthy but easy to solve. Okay, so let us write 6 people. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, the person who stands second from the bottom gets the ball to pass on. Right, the person who stands second from the bottom, right, this person. Bottom is 6th, right? So second from the bottom gets the ball to pass on. So this one, right? he will pass the ball. Okay, yes. Sunil is behind the person who will pass the ball. Sunil is behind the person. So this person will pass the ball and Sunil is behind him. So Sunil will be the last person. Frederick is standing in the middle. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the middle? This will be the middle, right? 3 and 4 both will be the middle. So I don't know where to place Frederick now. Okay. Tanu is the only female player and is standing behind the player at the top. Right? Player at the top is 1. So Tanu is behind him. Tanu will be there. There is a difference of 2 players between Frederick and Manu. Right? There is a difference of 2 players between Frederick and Manu. So obviously I can't put Manu here. Right? So if I put Manu here, Frederick has to come between 3 and 4. There won't be a difference of 2 players. But if I put Manu at the top, right, 1 player, so Frederick can come to the 4th position. Right? Yes or no? Right? There is a difference of 2 players in between Frederick and Manu. Right? There is a difference of 2 players between Frederick and Manu. So if Manu comes here, there will be difference of 2 players. 2 and 3 will be the difference. Right? Hardik is standing next to Tanu. So this will be Hardik here. Right? This will be Hardik here. So there are 6 people. Yes or no? There are 6 people. Anil and Hardik have only 1 person in between. Yes. Anil and Hardik have only 1 person in between. That is Frederick. Anil and Hardik have only 1 person in between. That is Frederick. Who passed the ball? Anil passed the ball. Right? There was only one hinge that you guys had to do. That is this one. Frederick is standing in the middle. There is a difference of 2 players between Frederick and Manu. So if you place Manu at the top, you will get 2 players in between Frederick and Manu because Frederick can come between 3 and 4. Right? Yes. So that was the hinge. If you get that hinge, the whole question is solved. Okay? Next one. When n is divided by 5, the remainder is 2. What is the remainder when n square is divided by 5? What is the remainder when n square is divided by 5? Right? Assume any number as n, right? So this question I have already done with the 13 question, right? I think 2 days before. N is divided by 5, the remainder is 2. What will be n square divided by 5? The remainder. Okay. So yes, 2 remainder comes. So I can take the n as 2 itself. Right? 2 by 5, the remainder is 2. So n square will be 4 by 5. The remainder will be 4. So if you want, you can check for the next one, right? Let us keep n as 7. So 7 divided by 4, it is 2. N square is 49. 49 divided by 5, the remainder will be 4, right? So n is divided by 5, the remainder will be 2. So when n square is divided by 5, the remainder will be always 4, right? The remainder square, right? What is the remainder here? Remainder is 2. Remainder square. 2 square is 4. Okay? Yes. Okay. Chalo. Right? Yes. So let's go with today's this. Yes. Okay. So find the missing digit in the series, right? What goes to be the missing digit in the series? Right? You guys have to tell what goes to be the missing digit in the series. Come on, guys. Tell me what will be the right answer here. right? Yes. So let us write this down. So this is 3, 11, 75, 291, question mark, 1803, 3531, right? 1803, 3531. Okay. So what is the difference I am getting here? 3 to 11, 8 is the difference. 11 to 75, 64 is the difference. 75 to 291, 216 is the difference. So next I do not know. Next I do not know. 183, 1803 into 3531. Right? 3531 minus 1803. Right? I am getting this as 1728. Right? So there is a pattern. See this clearly. 8 is what? 8 is 2 cube. 64 is what? 64 is 4 cube. 216 was 216 is 6 cube. Right? And 1728 will be what? What is 1728 going to be? It is 12 cube. Right? 1728 is 12 cube. So in between the two numbers will be what? It is following the even number series. So this will be 8 cube and this will be 10 cube. So what is 8 cube? 8 cube goes to be 512 and 10 cube goes to be 1000. 8 cube goes to be 512 and 10 cube goes to be 1000. So the missing number will be what? The missing number is either 291 plus 512, 1 plus 2 3, 9 plus 1 0, right? 803, or else it is 1803 minus 1000, right? Yes. So what goes to be the missing number? 803 goes to be the missing number. What goes to be the missing number? 803 goes to be the missing number. Okay? Yes. So this question 13 is to 43 done yesterday, right? Yes, this was also done in yesterday's class. So sometimes the questions get repeated, so I just move on to the next one, right? Yes. Question number 4, how many triangles are there in the above figure, right? You guys have to tell the number of triangles in the above figure. Okay, yes. So how many triangles are there in this figure, right? Like this spatial aptitude questions they might ask, right? Okay, this is a very easy question. You can manually count the figures or else you can go with the short trick also. Let us manually count the figures, right? 1, 2, 1 and 2 both 3, 4, 5, 4 and 5 both 6. So this will be 7, 8 and the whole figure, right? The whole figure will be 9, right? The whole figure will warrant me 9. Then this one, this section 1 and 4, this will be 10, 2 and 3, 2 and 5, this will be 11. So by manually counting I am getting this as 11, right? Yes. Maximum is there, so that will be the right answer. But still, how shall we find out? Okay, yes. So see, this is the what the figure is, right? Yes. So instead of drawing the line over there, right? Yes. Instead of drawing a line over there, right? Instead of drawing a line in between, so if I just do like this, okay, I'll just do like this, right? I have not took the line. I have not took the line in between. Okay, line in between I'll put later. How many triangles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5. When I draw a line, right, I am getting 4 figures again. 5 plus 4, 9, right? and this one is 10, this one is 11, right? Yes, 11 triangles will be done. Okay, yes. Take down the figure. Take down the figure to your easiest level, then drop the hints there. And then drop the hints, you're getting 11 as the answer. Okay, very good. Okay, yes, chalo. So this was also done, this was also done. Yes, this was also done. Okay, yes, all this was done in today's class only, right? Perennial, all this, huh? All this was done in today's class. So I think this was yesterday's PDF itself, huh? Which I by mistake placed it as today. Which I by mistake placed it as today. Okay, yes. Yes, question number 17. I brought some questions in today's session also, right? No manager is a leader. All leaders are executives. No manager is an executive. Okay, so which of the conclusions will follow? And this is a GATE PYQ, right? What guys? This is a GATE PYQ. Okay, yes, easy question, Re Baba. Right, yes. So no manager is a leader, right? Yes. Manager and leader are two different things, right? They are not together. All leaders are executives, right? All leaders are executives. But manager can still become executive. Manager and leader is not happening, right? Manager and leader is not happening, but manager and executive can happen. No manager is an executive, that I cannot tell. Manager and executive can happen, but manager and leader cannot happen. That is no. So no manager is an executive, cannot say this. 50%. No executive is a manager, again this is 50%, right? It can or cannot happen. So I do not have either here, right? I do not have the either option. So it is option C. I can't tell both. If both two follow, both should be 100%, 100%. If only one has to follow, that one has to be 100%. Okay? Yes. Both are 50% because we do not have the statement, right? I've already told you people that statement is always 100% true, right? Yes. So there is no statement about executive and manager, so I cannot guarantee it, right? Yes. So it will be option C. Neither one nor two follows. A and B together. Yes, time and work. A question on time and work. Chalo. What is the right answer here? We'll do two more questions, okay? 18, 19, 20. Okay, yes. Time and work. A and B together can complete this. Ratio of efficiency of A and B. So ratio of efficiency of A and B is given 4 is to 3. And together they can do this work. That is A plus B. Together they can do this work in 15 days. Right, yes. Time taken by A and B to complete this work. Right, yes. So the efficiency will be this. So you know time into efficiency is equal to work. So time is inversely proportional to efficiency. Yes or no guys? Time is inversely proportional to efficiency. So time will be 3 is to 4. Time will be 3 is to 4. Right? Yes. Time will be what? Time will be 3 is to 4. Now A plus B, they are doing it in this, and the efficiency will be equal to what? A plus B, the efficiency will be 7. A plus B, the efficiency is 7. 4 and 3 has come. So total work is time into efficiency, that is 15 sevens, right? 105 units. Okay, 105 units. Time taken by A and B to complete the work if they work on alternatives days. So first day A is working, next day B is working. What is the efficiency of A? 4. 4 into 1 plus B is 3. 3 into 1. Right? So can I tell in 2 days they finish 7 units of work? Right? Yes. So in how many days they will finish 105 units of work? That is what I need to know. Right? Yes. 7 tens are 70, 7 fives are 15. Right? 7 into 15. So this will also be 2 into 15. Right? Which is 30 days. Understood? Right? 7 15s are 105. Yes or no? So similarly 2 15s are 30 days. Right? 2 15s are goes to be 30 days. Chalo, similar time and work question. Right? Efficiency of A is 25% more than B, and B takes 25 days to complete a piece of work. A started the work alone and B joined him 5 days before the completion of work. So for how many days did A work at the starting? For how many days did A work at the starting? See, efficiency is given, A is to B. So efficiency of A is 25% more than B. So this is 25 by 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are 1 by 4, right? So efficiency of A is more. So this is denominator, this is numerator. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this becomes 5 is to 4. This is efficiency. So time will be 4 is to 5 because time is inversely proportional to efficiency. Now, A started the work alone. B takes 25 days to complete a piece of work. Right? B is given, so he takes 25 days. 25 into 4. Right? Efficiency is given. So the work is 100 units. So A started the work alone and B joined him 5 days before the completion of work. So 5 days before the completion of work, B joined him and A was also working. Yes or no? 5 days before the completion of work, B joined him, but A was also working. So both of them will be working at that time, right? So A joined the work at some point, I do not know. He started the work alone, but B joined him 5 days before. So A plus B into 5 is equal to 100 units. Okay? So what is A? A is 5. 5x plus 5 plus 4 into 5 is equal to 100. So 5x is equal to 100 minus 45. So x goes to be 55 by 5, 11 days. So x was the amount or x was the time at which A started the work alone. So that is 11. So B 11 days will be the right answer. Right? B 11 days goes to be the right answer. Let us see the last question of the class, right? When does the calendar of 2020 repeat itself? When does the calendar of 2020 repeat itself? So this was actually a GATE PYQ. So this had come in GATE 2020 itself. ठीक है, right? Get 20, so 2020, so this is what 2020 is a leap year, right? Yes or no? How do you find out leap year? N divided by 4, the remainder should be 0, then it is a leap year. So here 20 divided by 4, right? Last two digits if you take, that's enough, 0. So it's a leap year. So a leap year always repeats itself 28 years, right? Either 28 years at the back or 28 years at the front. So this is 2020, 2020 plus 28. So 2020 year will be repeated again in 2048. 2020 year will be repeated again in 2048. So if I show here, right, I'll show you guys a demonstration. So 2020, the previous year is 2019. So this is 2018, this is 2017. Again, I'm getting a leap year 2016, that's not needed. So I'm going in the back, past. If I go in the front, so this is 2021, this is 2022, this is 2023, 24 is again leap year, right? Yes. So a leap year, right? So I'm going forward, it is plus 28 years or minus 28 years, right? It is plus 28 years or minus 28 years. Okay, it repeats like this. Okay, it repeats like that. Okay, plus 28 years or minus 28 years. Yes. What has just happened? One minute, guys. Okay, yes. So my computer got a bit stuck. So 2021 is going ahead, 22 going ahead, 23 going ahead, right? So 2021, whenever you are going in front, year is there, right? So what is the reminder I'm getting here? So the reminder will be 1, reminder will be 2, reminder will be 3, right? Yes, the reminder is 1, reminder is 2, reminder is 3. If the reminder is 1, it goes ahead by 6 years. Reminder is 2 goes ahead by 11 years. Reminder is 3 goes ahead by 11 years again. So if you see 11, 11, 6 is 28 again. Right? 11, 11, 6 is 28 again. So 2019, 2018 and 2017. Right? If I take 2017, what is going to be the reminder? Right? What will be the reminder if I take 2017 here? Tell me. Right? Yes. So 2019 also the reminder will be 1 if you divide by 2020, right? If you take 2020, 2018 is 2 and 2017 is 3. But here I am going backwards. Backwards means you have to subtract, right? So when the reminder is 1, it is always going to be 6. When the reminder is 1, it is always going to be 6 years, right? When the reminder is 2, it always goes to be 11 years. When the remainder is 3, it is again 11 years. When the remainder is 0, there is no remainder 4, it is 28 years, right? 11, 11, 6, it is 28 again, right? So remainder is 1, minus 6 years. Remainder is 2, minus 11 years. Remainder is 3, minus 11 years, right? Yes. So this is how you can find out, right? Whatever year they give, if it's a leap year, 28 plus or minus, then the other years you find it out. Right, 19 divided by this, 18 divided by this, 17 divided by this, right? Yes. So whatever the remainder you are getting, it is going to be 6, 11, 11, right? Yes, it is going to be what? 6, 11, 11. Is it clear, guys? Right? Is it clear, everyone? From the part of this, okay. So if you take 19 by 4, the remainder is 3, but you are taking in consideration to this. So minus वाला थोड़ा ध्यान से देख लेना. This is easy. 21 by 4, 22 by 4, 23 by 4, it's very easy, right? 21 by 4 is 1 remainder, 22 by 4 2 remainder, 23 by 4 remainder is 3. But here you have to go carefully, right? So here if I tell the remainder actually increases, right? So here actual the remainder is going to be 3. 2019 by 4 3, 18 by 4 2, 17 by 4 is 1. But we take in the consideration of the leap year, right? So it is 1 year back, 2 year back, 3 year back. Okay, 1 year back, 2 year back, 3 year back. So that is how you'll be getting this one, right? Understand this carefully. So 11 11 6 28, 11 11 6 28. That is how it happens, right? 11 11 6 28, 11 11 6 28. So that is how you guys will be getting the answer, right? That is how you guys will be getting the answer. Is it clear? So that's it from today's class, guys. Okay, yes, that's it from today's class. If you have liked the class, if you have enjoyed the session, please do like the session, share it with your friends also, and subscribe to our channel Unacademy Computer Science. Okay, from today onwards the classes will be happening at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, right? Right, yes. So I have been juggling between times. It is also because of my schedule, right? So I wanted to keep a fixed schedule, but 6:30 in the night is also not possible because I'm having some plus classes at that time, right? So 6:30 a.m. in the morning, you guys will be having the YouTube classes from today, right? From today onwards, it will be at 6:30, and my future YouTube classes also in the channel will be at 6:30 a.m. itself. ठीक है? Yes. Morning, जल्दी उठो. जल्दी उठने से पढ़ाई ठीक से होता है. ठीक है? Yes. So that's it from the class, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.